Yeah, hi. Is that DJI customer service? I wonder when my Mini might arrive. Well, it won't be till August. August, that's right. August sometime. August 28th, 15th. Yes, but I ordered it just seconds after it came out. Is it not going to be sooner? No, it's going to be September 3rd. Yes, that's right, 10th. But when I ordered it, it clearly said that it would be 3 days shipping, and then that would be it. What? Well, no. Right. Let me see. It's no. It's May 27th sometime. That's right. Are you sure? Are you sure when it's actually going to be coming? It says different on my screen to your screen. When is it? Well, yeah. September the 38th. Yes, that's right. The 38th at 2 p.m. Mm. Are you sure? Yep. I just don't know what's going on. Thank you, Miss Heard. Thank you very much.